Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to read Reach for the Stars, Part 1. This is me, Cecy. Reach for the Stars by Stephanie Killen. The sun comes up in the morning and goes down at night, and on a clear night, we can see the moon and the stars, and sometimes other planets. People have always looked at the night sky, wondering what's out there and what it means for us on Earth. Galileo Galilei was born in Pisa, Italy on February 1564. Another famous scientist, Albert Einstein, called Galileo the father of modern science. Because of Galileo, we know that the Earth and all the other planets circle the sun. Galileo was the oldest of 7 children. His father was a musician and wool trader. Galileo was a musician too. He played the lute like his father. This is the lute. Galileo's father first considered taking him on as an apprentice in his wool merchant business, but when he realized how intelligent Galileo was, he wanted him to study medicine so he could make more money. When Galileo was 17, he went to the University of Pisa to study medicine, as his father wanted, even though his father put pressure on him to be a good student. School bored Galileo, and he did not do well, except in math. One day, when Galileo was 20, he was walking through a cathedral and noticed a lamp swinging back and forth from the ceiling. He watched the lamp for a while and, using his heartbeat to keep time, realized that each swing of the lamp took exactly the same amount of time. Galileo did more experiments with weights hung on strings from a fixed point, called pendulums, and the result made him famous. Since there is so much to learn about the world, all scientists and inventors build on the discoveries and work of other scientists and inventors to solve new problems and make new discoveries. Galileo's law of the pendulum helped the Dutch scientist Christian Huygens design and build the first pendulum clock in 1656. Until then, clocks were often too fast or too slow, but the pendulum made them more accurate. We can see the pendulum at work in long case clocks, more widely known as grandfather clocks, like this one. And this is a pendulum. Galileo left university without graduating. Although he was good at math, many students were not. They needed extra help, so Galileo made a living by tutoring students in math outside of the classroom. When he wasn't tutoring, his curiosity led him to tinker with experiments, something he continued to do for the rest of his life. During his early experiments, he developed a scale, which showed that the same amount of two things could have a different weight. For example, a coin of pure gold weighs more than a coin of pure silver, of the same size. Sometimes, people would cover coins made of other metals in gold and pretend they were solid gold. Galileo's scale helped the real gold coins from the fake ones. This is a scale, an old one. Well, this is the end of part 1. Continue with part 2 and part 3. Thank you very much. See you soon.